Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to schedule emails to send later in Outlook with Boomerang. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Microsoft Outlook application and log into your account to load in your emails. This gives you access to all the scheduling features we'll be using today. Once your email has loaded and you can see your inbox, we're ready to begin scheduling emails to send later in Outlook. Start by accessing your email tools by clicking on the New Email button located on the top left part of your screen. This opens up the email composition window where you'll be able to set up your scheduled message. From the email composition screen, look at the top part of your screen where your tools are located. From here, click on the Options tab. This tab contains various email settings and features that aren't immediately visible in the standard composition view. Now, before you compose your email, click on the Delay Delivery button. This is the key feature that lets you schedule and send emails later, giving you complete control over when your message actually reaches the recipient's inbox. An email property window will appear on your screen. From here, look for the Delivery Options section and you'll see the Do Not Deliver Before section. This is where the actual scheduling happens. From here, you can set the delivery date and time from the Date and Time picker. Take a moment to select the exact date and time you want the email to be sent. Whether it's later today, tomorrow, or even weeks from now, you have full flexibility to choose when your message goes out. Once you've configured your desired date and time, click on the Close button. And now all you have to do is compose your email and add in your recipient and subject line. Write your message as you normally would, making sure everything is exactly how you want it to appear when it sends. The email will be sent on the date and time you've set completely automatically. You don't need to be at your computer or have Outlook open when the scheduled time arrives. The system handles everything for you in the background. And that's it. You've scheduled your email to send later in Outlook, giving you the ability to write messages whenever it's convenient for you and have them delivered at the perfect time. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.